In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales of inventory products in QuickBooks Online. If you sell physical products and track your inventory in QuickBooks Online, it's important to record each sale correctly so your income, stock levels, and customer activity all stay up to date. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process in a simple and practical way so you can confidently enter the transaction based on how you received payment. To get started, go to your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click the Create button, also shown as the plus sign in the top left corner. This is where you begin adding new transactions. Once you open that menu, choose the type of sales form you need. If your customer will pay you later, select Invoice. If you're receiving payment right away at the time of the sale, choose Sales Receipt. This choice matters because it determines whether QuickBooks records the amount as money still owed or as money already received. Next, select the customer for the transaction. If the customer is already in your records, just choose the correct name from the list. If not, you can add a new customer as you go. Keeping the customer information accurate helps with reporting and makes it easier to review sales history later. After that, fill in the transaction date and any payment-related details shown on the form. Depending on whether you're using an invoice or sales receipt, this may include things like the payment method or the account where the money should be deposited. Take a moment here to make sure these details are correct, since they affect both your financial reports and your bank reconciliation process. Now move to the Product or Service column and choose the correct inventory item. This step is especially important because selecting the inventory product tells QuickBooks exactly what was sold and allows the system to reduce the quantity on hand automatically. Once you've selected the item, enter the quantity sold. QuickBooks will use the price already set up for that product to calculate the total for you, which helps speed up data entry and reduce mistakes. Before saving, review the sales tax section if tax applies to the sale. Make sure the tax looks correct based on the item and the customer's location or tax settings in your company file. Finally, once everything looks accurate, click Save and Close to post the sale. That's it. Your sale is now recorded, your inventory is updated, and your QuickBooks records are kept accurate and organized.